In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Adobe Express. Whether you're establishing a new brand or refreshing your current one, a unique and striking logo is an essential part of your identity. Let's dive into the process together and explore how you can craft a professional-looking logo using the tools provided by Adobe Express. First, you'll want to open Adobe Express. You have the flexibility to do this on any device, whether it's your computer or mobile device. Go ahead and sign into your Adobe account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start your project. Adobe Express makes this step straightforward. Simply navigate to Create and select Logo from the menu. If you prefer a more tailored approach, you can start with a blank canvas. For a logo, a square dimension, such as 1000 by 1000 pixels, often works best. Alternatively, if you're looking to save a bit of time and spark inspiration, feel free to explore the variety of pre-made logo templates available, which can jumpstart your design process. With your layout prepared, let's move on to the heart of your logo, designing its elements. Start by using the Text tool to add your brand name or initials. Choosing the right font is crucial here. You'll want something clear and easy to read, but also characteristic of your brand's tone and personality. Spend a few moments exploring different fonts until you find one that resonates with your brand's identity. Next, consider adding shapes or icons to your design that visually express your brand. You can easily insert these elements through the Elements section, selecting from a vast library of shapes and icons that can communicate your brand's vision. Whether it's something abstract or a direct reference to your brand's field, the right graphic can make your logo memorable. Color is another vital aspect of your logo. It affects perception and evokes emotions, so choose your brand colors thoughtfully. Aim for one or two primary colors that represent your brand essence and increase visibility. A good tip is to ensure high contrast between colors, which makes your logo look good across various backgrounds and materials. You'll want these colors to be consistent wherever your logo appears to reinforce your brand identity. Once you've added your text, shapes, and colors, it's time to focus on arrangement. Balance is key in design, so take some time to experiment with alignment and spacing of each element. Each component should feel like it has its place within the design, and the overall look should feel cohesive. Adjust the placement of your elements until they sit harmoniously together, creating an appealing composition that reflects professionalism and creativity. And there you have it, a concise overview of designing a logo using Adobe Express. Remember, your logo is a first impression of your brand, so spend the time needed to ensure it represents your brand effectively. Feel free to revisit and tweak any elements until you're completely satisfied with your creation. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!